So we proceed now with number 5, administrative and operational management issues. So example of these are the MOE implementation in the school, creation of teaching position, how do you manage the school funds, where did you get funds for your school projects and activities. Then 6 is community related issues. So if we talk of community related issues, we talk of the participation, active participation of our stakeholders, the parents or the barangay officials. Then we go now to the examples of questions based on the identified problems or issues. So I listed 5. We will just read them. Then we go now to writing the title. The first thing that a reader will read is the research title. Research title should be catchy, but above all, it should be correct and appropriate for an action research. So below is a list of researches. Our task is to identify which belong to an action research. But before we answer this one, let us discuss first the guidelines for the title. So first one, it should contain a strategy and objective. The objective should be specific. So here is an illustrative example. So incorrect yung una, then correct yung pangalawa. Incorrect yung first one because the word mastery. So it should be specific. Dapat specific yung mastery. Then yung correct, enhancing the poetry analysis ability of grading students through guided brain map. Mayroon siyang strategy and objective. Then it should be noticeable that the intervention and the objective should match. Then below are the titles for 3TK. Please try to analyze the title. Ensure that the intervention matches the problem presented. So title number 1, our answer should be not much the because the word using flashcards. So using flashcards cannot solve the problem on absenteeism among learners. Then number 2, improving the reading ability of students using Phil Erie. That is not much because Phil Erie is not an intervention. It is a reading assessment. Then number 3, effectiveness of GenMat module in enhancing students' problem-solving skill in normal distribution. That is not much because the word normal distribution is a topic in statistics, not in general mathematics. So the title should not be more than 15 substantive words and written in not more than 3 lines and inverted manner. It can start with a GRAN if we adopted the strategy, or the intervention with a colon if we develop an intervention. Then when wording limit has been reached, the local of the study is removed from the title. The local can be seen in other parts. So if these are the rules, which research title should be considered appropriate? Your answer should be, so for number 1, incorrect. Why incorrect? Because the mathematical performance is broad. It needs to be specific. The number 2, that is correct. It follows the rule. Then number three is incorrect kasi wala siyang ibinigay na strategy or intervention. Then number 4, as well as number 4, it is incorrect kasi walang intervention. Then number 5 is correct kasi mayroon siyang objective and intervention. Then it should consider that the title should be anchored on the research agenda that focus on teaching and learning, child protection, human resource management, governance, the RRM, inclusive education, gender and development. And it should not contain abbreviations. Then prescribed outline for action research proposal. Andyan na. Then common parts of a completed action research. Title page, abstract, acknowledgement, context and rationale, innovation, action research question methods, discussion of results and reflection,